At Make Happen, we have noticed the more specificity you use in your language, the more likely you are to take action. The less stuck you're likely to be, and the more you'll flourish in your creative practice. Artists and creatives, all humans, are notoriously bad at being specific. Nobody likes my work. I'm always getting it wrong. She's always late. Producers are always thinking about money. The problem with this lack of specificity is it leads to an inaccurate perception and reduces our ability to take action. Start catching yourself out on your generalisation. Introduce numbers where you can.